friends, today we're in the gallery. We are here with a new experiment today.
What are we doing, Mishika, today?
Float and sink experiment.
So we are doing a density experiment.
Yeah.
Wow, Mishika, let's do it. Show me, what are you doing first?
Leaves.
Okay.
Oh, it floats.
Okay. It's
It floats.
floating.
Next leaf. The coins
Now-
need to sink. Yeah, I was right.
Mishika is showing us some experiment. The heavy objects are going down and it's sinking, whereas the lighter ones are floating.
Ow! Water is coming on. Ow! The stones.
Now the pebbles. So heavy objects sink and the lighter ones.
Float.
Wow.
Now the thermocol balls. It's going to be a beautiful water.
Yes, the thermocol balls are also floating because they are very light.
You go in there, little buddies. Oh. Three did fly.
It's okay. It's nice weather out here. Such a lovely
Show the
weather.
Camera. Show the camera.
Yes, it's lovely weather. It's windy. And Mishika is enjoying her experiment.
Now everything
Can you pick
is
up the
done.
bowl? Pick up the bowl and show. Is it too heavy?
Heavy, you. It's too heavy.
Wow, it looks lovely. So, see guys, the stone and the coins are sinking. They've gone down, whereas the leaf and the thermocol balls are floating. So, what do you learn from this, Mishika? The heavy objects
Sink,
and the light objects
float.
float.
I'm playing in the water.
Just let me see if I can pick it up.
I'm playing the water. Okay, bye.
Now try this at home with your mamas and enjoy doing this experiment. See you. Bye for now.